Well, I kind of got a busy day today. I'm gonna use my All-American Sun oven today, and I want to say thank you to the two people that have bought one through my link. I get a few dollars, sent my way from All-American Sun oven if I sell one through my link. Anyway, today I'm going to make roasts. And I'm putting carrots, some onion, and some potatoes. And then I'm gonna fill each one up with some beef broth. And I'm gonna make some more salsa today. And oh, my lawnmower, I'm gonna be pressure washing the lawnmower that I repaired. And I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and purdy today, and probably put it out in the sun and take some pictures and put it on Craigslist. Oh, and drinking coffee. Okay, one I'm smothering in onions, and the other one I'm gonna load it up with potatoes. Oh, I bought a new Rada chopper. And I've used it to do all this, and I really like it. That's a good little knife. And I'll tell you what, I think I have a link. Yeah, this is in my Amazon store. It should be like the last 2 or 3 things that I bought. And if you're interested, I can't remember, like 9 or 10 bucks. I love the Rada cutlery. It's all I use. And it's American made. That's why one of the foremost reasons that I like it is it's made in USA. All right, let me get to chopping. All right, I'm gonna try something different with my salsa. My last batch was a little watery, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all my tomatoes and I'm gonna put them on this. This is not a strainer. This is like a grease splatter preventer, but I don't have a screen strainer. I have a colander, but I'm afraid some of the good stuff will slip through the holes in the colander and not just the water. So I'm gonna cut all my tomatoes and put them on here for a minute or two. I'll let the water drain out of them. I'm putting 4 jalapenos in it, 3 onion, a bunch of garlic, and as many tomatoes as my hands will cut. I got my roast out in the solar oven. I started it at 8:32 and it's 8:45 now. So as soon as I get my salsa made, I'm going to go out and readjust the solar oven and then get to working on that lawnmower. Pressure washing it, cleaning it up. Well, that just might work. Let me show you. That might work. And it's going to be a lengthy process, but I've got everything chopped except the tomatoes. So I'm just doing 1 or 2 tomatoes at a time, and then I'm taking this and I'm kind of mashing them down a little bit, and this just might work. And I just want to say this: we are living in some very exciting times politically, and where we go one, we go all. Okay? Very exciting times. Okay, put a little more garlic in there, put some pepper and some salt, and now I'm going to stir and stir and stir, and do what I did last time. I'm going to fill that up, and I'll have another jug that I'll fill up if that's probably not going to be enough. But I was able to use all my red tomatoes. I got a couple over there that I'm going to eat myself, with cucumbers and maybe some lettuce. But there we have it. Let me get that stirred up, and I'll try some. All right, I got that full to the top, and some left over, and I'm going to give it a total taste here. Oh yeah, much better. It took me actually a little over an hour to make all this. Not bad. All right. Now, I'm going to go adjust my solar oven and get the pressure washing that tractor. Thanks for watching. Well, this is coming along. About 325 or so. I'm going to aim this just a little bit. I aim it ahead. And here's the last look at this before I get to pressure washing it. It's nasty. Let me get my pressure washer out and get to work. Well, it's a lot cleaner now. Alrighty, now I'm going to take a few pictures of it and put it on Craigslist. My lawnmower has been on Craigslist for about 10 minutes. And in that 10 minutes, I've gotten 3 people wanting me. What they do is they text you wanting you to respond to an email. And they're all scams. If anybody can't communicate with you through text or calling you, they're a scam. And all these texts are from foreign numbers. Nobody would be interested in a lawnmower in Northwest Louisiana if they're from Southern California or Chicago. So here's what they sent me. I replied through email. Yes, that's what I said. And after I said, "Fuck you, asshole, scamming piece of shit," they wrote, "Oh, thanks for the prompt response to my mail. I'll be buying this from you, so please kindly withdraw the advert." And when they use words that we don't typically use here in the United States, you know they're from another country. The advert. That sounds like something that is typically a British term for advertisement. I will be overnighting the payment ASAP, but I will be paying with a certified check from my bank, and it will deliver to you via United Parcel Service. So I'll need you to provide me with the following information to facilitate the mailing of the check. And they're willing to offer me an additional $50 just because I'm so extremely handsome. And here's the information they want: my full name, address, state, postal code. See, that's another thing. What do Americans say? We say zip code. We don't say postal code. Postal code are terms they use in other countries. And phone number that I can send a text or call to. Well, they've already texted me with this email address. And I'll make arrangements for the pickup as soon as your check clears due to my work frame and kids, blah, 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 blah. So I wrote, "Thanks. Please submit payment to Haywood Jafakov, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington, D.C." Let's just see if they actually get a check at the Capitol. And we sending. Okay, while I was doing that video, a message came in, and here's what they look like. "Please email my wife at blah 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 if your bike is still for sale. Cub Cadet riding mower. If your bike is still for sale." I tell you what, for every legitimate response I get to an advert, I get 10 or 15 of these freaking scammers. Usually I don't pay attention to them, but every once in a while I go back and forth. You know, what the heck, I'm only human. It feels good to cuss them out. Just for a second. So, yeah, that's, that. I just got this. I took a screenshot and emailed it to myself. And this happened while I was doing the recording just seconds ago. And I guarantee you, by the time I hang up this clip, I'll have 2 or 3 more. Alright, I haven't moved this in quite a while. Let's see what the temperature is. Oh, that's good. Alrighty. I'm gonna bring this in. Alright, let me get a couple of potatoes. Some carrot. whole bunch of onion. Let's see if I can cut that with my spoon. I think I may have. Almost. Boy, is that tender. That's gonna be too hot to eat right now. I'm gonna let this cool a minute. Boy, does that look good, huh? Oh yeah. Get a little piece of onion with that. Damn good. Yep. That's a good meal in an all-American Sun oven. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm going to upload this.